Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Coffee with Craig show. We are transmitting live from MAPIC Italy in Milano. Today is the second day of the fair, and I must congratulate the organizers of MAPIC Italy because it is busy. It is a busy place. A lot of developers, or a lot of owners of shopping centers, outlet centers, and some retail parks. A few retailers running around as well. Everyone looking to expand and just meeting and seeing what's going on the market. We are also getting ready for our events tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning we have our CRE breakfast, our Coffee with Craig breakfast at the InterContinental Hotel at 8:30 a.m. So if you're not yet signed up, sign up now. We'd definitely love to see you tomorrow. 8:30 in the morning, we start with great buffet breakfast, and then at 9, we're rolling on with an hour conference. We've got some great speakers on the development and investment side and consulting side for warehousing, logistics, industrial. Quick 1 hour conference, a little bit of networking afterwards, and finalizing breakfast. And then in the evening at switching hotels, we're going to La Regina, and we have our inside-outside sort of cocktails and back to business event, which is also really coming together and looks great. A lot of fun people to meet there. So we hope to see you tomorrow morning and to finalize the day in the evening for our back to business event. And then we have our, which I think this week or Friday is the last day to get in your nominations for the CE Investment Awards, which is coming out October 20th and 21st, right after Expo, a week after Expo Real. So a lot of fun for that. And of course, we're doing our magazine, our investment guide for Expo Real. So if you'd like to get in something for that, looks like they're going to have a lot of investors and for Expo Real. So definitely want to hit up all those, and bankers and everyone working together on that. So having said that, we are going to take a 20-second break, tell you a little bit about the investment awards, and then we're going to shoot right to Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com and our real estate guides, to kind of give you some of the highlights of the news for today. And then we just hope you all have a good day, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow morning at the InterContinental Hotel, 8:30 in the morning. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now preparing for the CEE region's flagship event for investors and developers, the Europa Property Investment Awards, which will be live and online October 20th and 21st. With a total of over 400 international and regional attendees, this event is not to be missed.
Good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the headlines from the EuropaProperty.com website. And we'll start in Poland today, where Develia is going to sell the Wrocław Sky Tower to Adventum International. The sale price has been set at 84.4 million euros, and finalisation of the transaction is set for the end of 2021. And according to Develia, the Sky Tower is an important element of their sales strategy announced at the beginning of 2021. They're reducing their involvement in the commercial segment and focusing on the development of residential and the private rental sector activity. Sky Tower is the tallest building in Wrocław and one of the tallest in Poland. Moving on, and Kazimir and Griffin Real Estate have announced a joint venture to develop and finance renewable energy projects located in Poland. As part of the deal, the JV has acquired a 72% stake in Padres, a leading developer in the clean energy space segment. The companies plan to focus on the further development of Padres' renewable energy portfolio, which comprises investments in solar and wind projects at various stages of advancement, both in the development stage and ready to build, with an operational renewable capacity exceeding 500 megawatts. The portfolio places the platform at the forefront of the country's emerging renewable energy sector. And according to Chris Gill, he's Projects and Investment Director at Kazimir, he says the transfer to clean energy is not only about making a sound long-term investment, but it's about taking responsibility. The climate emergency is the greatest challenge facing our generation, and switching to renewables is one of the most significant steps to be taken in reducing carbon emissions. And Nebel Senman, the managing partner at Griffin Real Estate, says, "We're excited to expand our investments business through this partnership to explore opportunities in one of the most critical sectors of the modern world." Staying in Poland, and CRE Property Advisors is to supervise the conversion of a building in Częstochowa. The building, which was once a Tesco store, is to be rebuilt, refurbished and converted into a retail park. Acting on behalf of the owner, the property developer, DOR Group, CRE will manage the project and also act as the exclusive leasing agent. These retail buildings are proving to be superb retail locations and an excellent investment product at the moment, says Grzegorz Moczek, the Vice President of CRE Property Advisors. The park is scheduled to open in 2022. And finally for today, the EBRD and the European Union are promoting the expansion of the sustainable car market in Ukraine with a loan and guaranteed package to Winner, one of the country's leading vehicle importers and retailers. The EBRD is providing a €20 million loan to complement the company's €23 million investment in sustainable expansion programme. This will include the construction of a new car dealership for the Renault and Volvo brands, as well as an expansion of the company's logistics capacity and distribution service infrastructure, including electric vehicles. The new car dealership will be designed and built according to BREEAM and EDGE green building standards, boosting the company's energy performance. According to EBRD, green buildings are still rare in Ukraine, and to date there is only one BREEAM certified building in the entire retail sector. Winner will be the first auto dealership in Ukraine to achieve green standard certification. The investment will also help Winner to construct a green collision repair centre, the first of its kind in Kiev. And according to Matteo Petrone, EBRD Managing Director for Central Eastern Europe, "We are delighted to join forces with the EU to promote a foreign direct investment driven and environmentally conscious business in Ukraine. I'm particularly glad to see the company expanding into electric vehicles. This will eventually lead to cleaner streets, making cities a better place for pedestrians and cyclists too." And those are the main headlines from the EuropaProperty.com website. For more news, please log in throughout the day. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now preparing for the CEE region's flagship event for investors and developers, the Europa Property Investment Awards, which will be live and online October 20th and 21st. With a total of over 400 international and regional attendees, this event is not to be missed. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.